Okay guys, so this is the Skoda Kodiaq. Comes with only one engine option, the 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine that puts out around 190 PS of max power and 320 Newton meters of max torque. 2-liter turbocharged petrol TSI with 7-speed DSG. We have slotted it into sport mode, and the cabin is super spacious and super comfortable as always. Can feel the rush almost immediately. You're gonna take it a little easy because I can see a little more traffic, but the stability, because you have dual shell liquid gas charged shock absorbers, so that gives very plush ride quality, one of the best in class undeniably. And also the body roll is very well controlled, because even while tackling corners, high speed corners, you are in an SUV at the end of it all. But the MQB A2 platform is so well built that there is almost minimal to no body roll that can be felt even when you're pushing the car to its limits. Steering feel is very, very satisfying. You feel that you are indeed driving a premium car. Sitting right next to me is my wife, and we are going to celebrate our 15th anniversary, wedding anniversary this month on 18th. So that's a big thing. You can start wishing both of us in the comment section if you want to. But thanks to Mahavir Skoda for giving us a date with this beastly beauty. One of my favorite SUVs. You can see me actually pushing this to its limits at Natrax, so that was a great opportunity thanks to Skoda India. And this again, as you can see, step on the gas, the 7-speed DSG shifts seamlessly. Wow, incredibly awesome, amazing stability, stellar performance coming alive. And that's what makes this so impressive in every aspect. You do get a 360-degree camera, so let's try and test that out now. We want to turn around. The steering calibration is well done. So we have a narrow turn here. So if we shift it into reverse, here is the 360-degree camera. So can we change the orientation of this? We have different options to choose from. You do get dynamic guidelines. That's something you come expecting in this price point, because it is a premium SUV after all. Despite the massive stance, it's very, very easy to drive. And this is the 2-spoke steering wheel that has been adopted by Skoda of late in most of their cars, including the Superb or the Octavia. We have a nice bright sunny morning here in Hyderabad. Perfect weather to push and test the car to its limits, and also the AC efficacy, because it's bright afternoon. Summer is slowly setting in, and you can see that the acceleration is seamless. You do get all the luxury features like ventilated seats. Seats are nice and comfy and cushiony. Safety is well taken care of, because that's the #1 priority these days. You already get 9 airbags all around. That's super impressive. Apart from that, you also get electronic stability control, the 360-degree camera, rollover mitigation, motor slip regulation, almost everything that you can think of in this price segment. The glass area is huge. All-round cabin visibility is very, very satisfactory. You don't really need the 360-degree camera, and you don't get ADAS functions here yet. So that is something you need to note. apart from that, the engine is butter smooth, very refined. The NVH levels are bare minimum. It's completely quiet in here. Pin drop silence. When you're not pushing it to the limits, dare I say it, but it is almost as quiet as an electric. You start wondering whether the car is on or off. That's how well managed the NVH levels are. But you want to put the pedal to the metal. The sporty character of the car comes bursting forth. You can hear the 2-liter engine roaring in the background. So you're doing this corner at around 115 kilometers per hour. Long sweeping corner. And rock solid stability, holding the line through the corner flawlessly. So that's the magic. That's the kind of rock solid sturdiness and stability that you come expecting from Škoda. The damping settings are amazing, and also the brakes, the all 4 disc brakes, do their job judiciously to give you enough stopping power to keep a check on the kind of acceleration this beast has on offer. Wow! 100 comes up in no time. Oh my goodness gracious. What a car. What a feeling. Absolutely incredible. And this is what makes me fall in love with this SUV time and time again. And I don't give up on any opportunity to get to drive this stellar performer in this segment. So what do you guys think? Have you driven the Kodiaq? If not, I would say drive it to believe it. That's the kind of driving pleasure this one has on offer. It's comfy, it's luxurious, it's sporty, it's safe, sturdy build quality, and all packed together with a nominal price tag. And that is what makes the Kodiaq stand out as a good value proposition and one of the safest, most trustworthy vehicles that comes across in this segment.